Hello friends, welcome to Speak English with Shri. This channel is made for English beginners. Here you will learn English through simple and meaningful stories. Listen carefully, read the subtitles, and repeat the sentences. Now, let us start today's story, A Small Step Every Day. Suresh lived in a small village near a river. His life was simple, but his dreams were big. He wanted to work in a good company and support his family. He knew that English was important for his future. But English was his biggest fear. Whenever he tried to speak, his mind became blank. Suresh went to college in a nearby town. Many students spoke English confidently. Suresh listened to them silently. He understood many words, but he did not speak. He felt shy and nervous. Sometimes he felt that English was not for people like him. At home, Suresh helped his parents every day. He worked hard and respected them. His parents always encouraged him. They told him that learning never stops. Their words gave him strength, but he still did not know how to start. One evening, Suresh met a teacher who changed his thinking. The teacher spoke kindly and simply. He told Suresh that language is learned step by step. He said one sentence a day is enough. He said small steps bring big results. That night, Suresh thought deeply. He decided to take one small step every day. The next morning, he started with a simple sentence. He spoke it slowly. He repeated it many times. He felt strange, but he felt proud. Every day, Suresh practiced one new sentence. He listened to simple English stories. He repeated the sentences aloud. He spoke in front of a mirror. Sometimes he spoke while walking. Sometimes he spoke while working. English slowly entered his daily life. In the beginning, progress was slow. Some days were difficult, some days he felt tired, but he did not stop. He remembered the teacher's words, small steps bring big results. After a few weeks, Suresh noticed a change. He could understand English better. He could speak short sentences without fear. His confidence grew slowly. His friends also noticed the change in him. One day in college, Suresh answered a question in English. His voice was not perfect, but it was clear. The teacher smiled. His friends listened quietly. Suresh felt happy and strong from inside. Months passed, and Suresh improved more. English was no longer a fear. It became a skill. He made mistakes, but he learned from them. He spoke whenever he got a chance. Suresh realized something important. Success does not come in one day. It comes from daily effort. One small step every day can change your life. Today, Suresh speaks English with confidence. He still practices daily. He still learns new words. He never forgets his journey. He knows that learning is a lifelong process. This story teaches us a simple lesson. Do not wait for the perfect time. Start with a small step. Practice every day. Your confidence will grow. If Suresh can change his life with small steps, you can do it too.